Namaste and welcome to Simply Kaushiki. Do you remember the feeling of unboxing Christmas decoration? It's magical, isn't it? But each year I find myself so overwhelmed with the mismatched ornament or few broken pieces, despite of taking all the precautions needed. Today I wanted to transform my simple Christmas tree into a luxe centerpiece which I have been dreaming of, but on a budget. Before we dive into decorating, let's first pack away last season's decor neatly. I think each item deserves a home, so it's easy to find next year. This year, I'm also decluttering the broken items, and only meaningful pieces are going to stay. It's like creating a space for memories and not clutter at all. Living in a small Mumbai apartment, I have to be overtly mindful of what I have and what I should get rid of if it does not serve the purpose. And decluttering has become a part of a lifestyle living here, trying to reuse things in multiple ways. If you like this sort of idea, I have multiple videos on this idea where I show you how you can use things differently, which you normally would not even think. I would leave the link of the video in the I button and in the description below. This year I decided to flock all the trees that I have, including two 1 feet tree and one 6 feet tree. They are very sparse looking tree. Got it from Amazon. Flocking can be very messy, trust me, and I learned it really hard way. This powder that I ordered flew everywhere, glittering like a stardust but settling like a snow. I had to tweak the process. Usually in videos it is shown that just use water to activate these flocking powder, but it didn't happen in my case at all. The previous night I kind of flocked all the three trees. This whole process took me almost, I think, 2 to 3 hours of time. I was totally exhausted but very happy with the results. But next morning, when I woke up, I saw that each time I touched any branch, every single bit of flocking will fall off the branches. I was so disappointed, so I learned it hard way. This required a tweak in the process. I used PVA glue and water in 1:2 ratio, which became my secret sauce of this flocking process. Another thing that one has to do is to do it in small batches and not do all at once, which means start sprinkling powder, then let it dry, then go for the second layer, then go for the third layer, as much flocking as you need. It was still shedding, but after multiple coats of PVA glue water solution, it was much better, but still not there. But I can live with it. The mess it made in the house was just enormous. So, in my opinion, these are the tips I would highly suggest. If possible, do it outdoors and choose a non-windy day. Wear a mask. This isn't snow you want to breathe in. Sprinkling in hand gave better control than using a sifter, I tell you, which is again shown in multiple videos. With using sifter, the thing kind of flies everywhere. When you do it by your hands, you have so much more control. Since things I have to clean so much, I decided to give a thorough clean to my entire living room and took care of all the plants that I had. Place the Christmas tree in this corner on a small round table. Later on, I fixed this Christmas tree in a pot using potting soil, nothing too fancy. Now, I'll be honest, I had a plan to DIY all the Christmas decor in this video itself, and I got these beautiful striped kitchen towels from Amazon. I wanted to turn them into cushion covers and show you all how I did it, but unfortunately, the Christmas tree took such a long time, actually, 3 complete days to be honest. So, in my next video, I will be sharing all the DIYs. Now it was time to decorate the Christmas tree, and it is the third day. And as I was starting, my fairy lights decided to just not work, like the entire batch decided not to work. So, I had to later on take out all the lights from my Diwali decor and put it all around the Christmas tree. These all pretty ornaments have been thrifted. This year I'm going for metallic white and red color Christmas. The entire decor I have chosen is around that only. You might be feeling where is the red on the Christmas tree? Just hold on for some time, I'll show you. Instead of adding red ornaments, I decided to add these pretty dainty style bows on the tree. I didn't need any wire or anything because the branches were so rough and stiff that it was just sticking onto it automatically. Even under the fan, it was not flying anywhere. And this is how it was looking. I covered that black, not so pretty looking pot with some faux fur. I wrapped the wire string lights for the twinkle effect. This is how it was looking before I added the lights. This is the after, and I hope this video gave you some idea in case you are planning to decorate a Christmas tree this year. If you like this style of decorating, then check out my fall and Diwali decor videos for more ideas. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more cozy inspirations on decor and recipes. I'll see you again next time with a new video and new ideas. Until then, bye-bye.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go